It was so cute how they had these little babies in the ground, like little picket signs. Okay, so look at my little cutie. And I'm gonna trade my little giraffe baby for the drum baby. Oh my gosh! Thank you.
I'm not bald side of the head. I'm not totally capable from that side. I do. Wait, I don't have very many good trades. Oh my god, I need one here. Oh, that's a radish, right? Yeah, this is what I wanted. Thank you so much. I love this.
I have a New York baby and all my other babies.
Look, can I see a collection from my vlog? Look at
And then we have pancake.
Where do you get the little case for?
I got it from the owner of Inmeg today.
Oh, nice.
My
I need one of
queen.
those cases.
Yeah. This one's from Dyson.
And the purple one?
Yes.
What is that one?
I have no idea. It's one of the flowers.
Oh, okay, yeah, I
But I
see
did
it.
forget the name of it. This is not all of them. These are just the girlies I got to go out today.
Nice. They got to see the sun.
Can you watch my stuff and I'll I want to move around, but I like the little house. I go
Oh, there's a furry friend here too.
I did one. I got a giraffe. Yes!
I just traded my giraffe hipper for this drum baby.
Oh wait, that's so cute.
He's so cute. Oliver, stop barking, babe.
Is that a cinnamon bun? I thought that was a cinnamon bun. Cute. Oh, you got the giant bunny baby. Wow. Oh, that flower baby is the cutest. Oh, you got both of them.
I have
You're so cute. And here are some more babies. Oh, I never saw this one.
I don't think I would choose that. I wouldn't either. I'm just being honest. I'm like, that's what you really want. I just no, I'm totally getting it. Thank you. Thank you. For trades. I have trades too.
Another flower baby.
Let's look at the portfolio. Buy it from you? Oh, this one? Yeah. Yeah, I'll trade it. Okay, I don't have I'll trade the tulips. Okay, I'm gonna think about it actually.
Can I see your baby?
Yes. Here. They are. So like I just moved here for a job and I literally brought like one bag with me and I left all my Sonny Angels at home. I'm sorry.
Oh my gosh, more furry friends. Hi. You dogs are so cute.
Thank you.
I'm Andrea. Nice to meet you guys.
Caleb.
This is the cutest case ever for them. Yeah. Oh, so cute. They're all smiling. It's like their seatbelt.
Yes. They're strapped in.
Oh, these kitty dogs are so cute.
They're dragging you.
The baby. These are all the babies.
In the Twilight lunchbox.
Nice.
Yeah, they're good.
Look at the baby.
Here we go.
Halloween edition. And then this one matches mine. Little musicians.
Here we go. Stop! I don't have that one. I think it's actually the only. I don't know, Miss.
Oh, this one is so cute. I never saw this one. Oh, really? Let me see the back. Nice. And what is the other one?
It's the Valentine's.
Oh, it's so cute. Everyone, it's so cool seeing so many here. There's so many different ones. Can I look at yours as well?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, what adorable baby. And then your hipper.
Oh, yeah, my hipper.
I traded my giraffe hipper for this one today.
That one's cute.
I know, I love it.
It is. Look at how cute.
Oh, so cute.
I know. Are they acorn before? And I was like, I have to trade them.
Turn the baby around. Yeah. Can we turn the baby around? Oh, what a cutie. And do you have another one?
I have a little Miffy keychain from Anne May.
So cute.
And I have Bubba Chi Chi here. Red Riding Hood Chi Chi.
So cute. And can I see your babies on your
Yes,
neck?
of course. These
That's
are
also so
sourced from Anne May, of course. The
Love
charms.
it.
Thank you.
And your dress is so pretty.
Thanks for
Slay.
coming. The ones I want to trade so far.
Beauties. That one is so cute. I love the shirt. Bag full of babies. Oh, where did you get this coat? It's so pretty. Vintage and gorgeous. I love. Where are your shoes from? What's it?
They're called Namaste. It's like a small.
Okay, and your shirt is also so pretty. I love your whole outfit. Thank you so much.
Brian? I think 25 for it. Because I know you'd be able to get 30, 35 for Brian. Thinking that way.
Oh my gosh, so my friend's boyfriend didn't like that the Sonny Angel babies had their little wee out, and my friend Dolly makes dolls and she's like really good at making clothing and stuff, so my friend commissioned little diapers for her Sonny Angel babies, and look what she gave her. She gave her like an orange pair, a pink pair, blue, purple, yellow. The orange matches perfectly. And is this the only baby you have with you? Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open them. I got a happy birthday series, flower one, and then I got a hipper. I'm most excited for the birthday one, so I want to open that one first. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. I'm so happy I did not get a duplicate. I'm so excited to put her along with the other happy birthday one that I have. Now we'll do the one that I'm also super excited for, which is the flower one. I did want the one that had like the flower like holding it in her hand, but that's okay, maybe I'll get it next time. She's still super duper cute. Okay, so now we'll open the hipper that I'm gonna put right on my phone as soon as I'm done. Sonny Angel is a little angel boy who likes wearing all sorts of headgear. Sonny Angel Baby was born May 15th, 2004. Sonny Angel minifigure series is comprised of 12 different figures. Sonny Angel utilizes blind box packaging. You do not know which figure you will receive until you buy one and open the box. Each series also has secret figures, which are randomly included in certain boxes and are the most collectible. These are also extra special versions, only 10, 50, or 100 pieces ever made. There was an after party after the picnic trading event, but you had to RSVP for it, and because the store is so small, there was only a certain amount of people that were allowed to come to the after party.